asphalt fades and the mangroves rise underneath the canvas of the Florida skies. Sheridan Street carries a word away, dropping us down where the shadows play. A cathedral of roots in the salty mud, tuned to the pulse of the ocean's flood. Oh, breathe it in where the wild things stay, tucked between the blacktop and A1A. The quiet heart of the end, Kolb green, the sweetest paradise you've ever seen.
The intracoastal waterway ripples and gleams, a mirror of silver for a traveler's dreams. Herons stand frozen in the emerald shade, where the chaos of the city starts to blur and fade.
Just a whisper of wind through the canopy crest, where the osprey circles and the white ibis rest. Oh, breathe it in where the wild things stay, tucked between the blacktop and A1A. The quiet heart of the end, Kolb green, oh, the sweetest paradise you've ever seen. From the observation tower, looking out so high, the marsh meets the river and the river meets the sky. You can hear the Atlantic just a block to the east, but right here in the glass calm, the soul finds a feast.
Sheridan Street fades to a distant hum as the golden hour shadows slowly start to come.
Just the water and the woods and the fading light, as the end Kolb trails drift into the night. Yeah, the intracoastal shining just off A